how to buy Bitcoin on Exodus with Apple Pay. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Exodus with Apple Pay. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that we want to do is open up the Exodus app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on buy, then tap on Apple Pay. After that, enter the worth of Bitcoin that you want to buy and select your service provider. After that, tap on proceed. Then enter your email address and tap on proceed. Then just verify your email by entering your confirmation code. After that, enter your wallet address and tap on confirm and proceed. Then tap on Apple Pay, and if you haven't added your Apple Pay account, then just tap on add a new payment method and follow the steps to add your Apple Pay account. At last, tap on proceed. So that's how you can buy Bitcoin on Exodus with Apple Pay. That's all for this video.